everyone, this is Hunya Travels Recipe Videos. Today I'm making desi style french fries. The ingredients, what you need is potato and you need some paprika. That's your main ingredient for the flavor. Starting off with cutting the potato. Now gluing in the potatoes. Now this is ready to go into the air fryer with a few ingredients. So here's what I'm doing. I put in all the potatoes and I just put in some oil. Now I put in some paprika. And some Kashmiri red chili, or you could use any kind of red chili. This is pretty much red chili. Looks like this. Now time to check a little, so it's a little bit cooking, like this. Just gonna mix it one more time, just so it gets the taste. So the more you mix it, the more better it is. Some desi style fries. So be sure to like and subscribe to HunyahTravels.